Let me try one of these chicken wings, y'all. Oh yeah, they came out good, y'all. Came out good. Did them on a flat top too. But anyway, let me show you how I did it. Let's get it. So yeah, we're gonna start off with our marinade, which is gonna be 2 tablespoons of each one. The first one with sesame oil. Now we're coming in with our sweet soy sauce. Next, we're coming in with our oyster sauce. Now, we're gonna come on in with some soy sauce. This is just regular soy sauce. Couple shots of hot sauce. And usually, I would have 2 tablespoons of honey also, but I ain't had that much honey, y'all, so I just put as much as I could. Get that a mix. Make sure all those flavors combine good. Then once we get them combined, let's go ahead and get our chicken wings in, y'all. Once we get our chicken wings in, we're gonna give this a mix. And we're gonna let this marinate for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all, at least. Now to the flat top, go ahead and get our chicken wings on, y'all. Oh yeah, griddle time, y'all, griddle time. The weather a little bit better, y'all. Oh yeah. Back outdoors, man. Back outdoors. I've been missing outside too, y'all. Wintertime always have you in that house. It's always good to get back outside. But yeah, you know, get some good color on these. Now don't worry about if you get some dark spots. It's just the sugars that's in the marinade that's gonna cause that. That's okay though. Ain't nothing but flavor, y'all. That's all it is, flavor. Now that our chicken wings is ready and they've reached the proper temperature, we're gonna take the rest of our marinade and pour it right on top. And we're gonna mix that all together and pretty much create like a glaze over the whole chicken wing. Oh yeah. Telling y'all. Good and sticky. These some sticky chicken wings, y'all. Talk about fat boy swag. I'm getting my fat boy swag on today with these chicken wings, y'all. My wife don't even like chicken. These all for me. She might try 1 or 2, but I know most of them for me. But check out them chicken wings, y'all. Don't they look good? I know you want some. I know it. So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about, check out one of these other 2 videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.